Dr. Odonga has sent a serious message to His Excellency Bobi Wine. It's not a bad one. He is instead welcoming the National Unity Platform to the battle of the Aru County in Pade District for the position of Member of Parliament. So Odonga has not sent any warning, but he is instead welcoming this party. So Dr. Odonga said, I saw an online article stating NUP is backing Ochora Mathew for the position of MP Aru County 2026, where I intend to run as an independent. They are more than welcome. That is the essence of our democracy competition. His Excellency Bobi Wine fate is sealed in the region. Time awaits. So that's what Odonga said, that the man that NUP is fronting, Ochora Mathew, is welcome together with NUP and Bobi Wine in Aru County for the battle. And he calls it, that is the fair democracy that Ugandans needs to practice. He has also published a photo of a t-shirt. I think maybe it's a campaign t-shirt where there is his photo on it, and also the name written Odonga, with three keywords on it. That is Anywa, Bora, and Woro, ABL. Anywa, Bora, and Woro. I think he's sending a message to our county people that this time around we should not accept Anywa, which is doing things intentionally to provoke people, and also Bora, that is always inciting people, making people being scared, and then Luoro, that is fear or anxiety. People should not have it ahead of these 2026 general elections. Thank you so much.